Attorney General Dave Sunday saying that Pennsylvania's share of those settlement dollars will be around $516 million at least, and that money is going to go toward remediating the negative effects of social media on teens and kids in Pennsylvania. But he said there are also a lot of other parts of this settlement with major changes for the way that kids will be interacting with some of these platforms that are the most popular among the country.
This settlement is not just about money.
Attorney General Sunday lauded major changes for teens using Instagram and Facebook, including new age verification measures, more parental controls, 2-hour daily limits, and no more push notifications during the school day.
I know some of you may hear this and shrug. You might even boo or roll your eyes because your apps are going to look different. But I hope that over time, you understand why we fought for these changes.
Will the changes actually make a difference in the classroom? East Pennsboro area school superintendent Mike Robinson is optimistic and said notifications on phones can be a distraction while educators are teaching a lesson.
When that phone buzzes or pings or rings or anything happens with it, my mind starts to wonder. So the same dynamics happening with a student, but I think it's more profound, obviously, for adolescents.
Do you think Pennsylvania's legislature needs to take a stronger step on teens and young people having access even to social media?
Well, I mean, my take on that very simply is I know that this is something the legislature really cares about. This is a nonpartisan issue. I mean, when we talk about making sure that our children are in a place for success in life, I mean, that's what everybody wants. And so, we certainly stand at the ready.
Robinson did express a little bit of skepticism in terms of the fact that other settlement provisions are not necessarily going to have an effect unless other social media platforms are part of this. He said kids are always finding ways to use different platforms or use different technology. But we should also note that Sunday has also been suing other social media platforms, including TikTok and Snapchat. He said he's hoping that the settlement today indicates that tech giants can be taken on and can be held accountable for how kids and teens are using their platforms. Here in Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.